Okay, here's the symptoms of bad compressor release. I mean, the battery's also dead, but you try to crank it, you can't crank it. And it gets stuck. It gets to the one spot where it gets stuck. There it goes. And the starter can't push all that power through it. Engine off the Toro right here, next to the Toro. And we'll show you what we find. There's a bolt stuck. Shouldn't be. I'll show you the back camshaft. Let me pause it while we take it off. After much careful pounding, we got this oil slinger. We got this out. Huh. Okay, this is supposed to be the bad one. You know, mix these two up. Check with them. Oh yes, there's definitely a bad one. Here's a good one. See, it's got a hook. It's got some spring action. That's the one we just took out. The first one. This one here. Boop, 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 boop. No hook. I wonder why it was giving me an issue. Let's put the good one. This is bad to good. We'll move it around this way so you can see it. There's no hook on the right. There's a hook on the left. This pushes open the cam. The lifter over there, and that gives us the other thing. There is the piece. If you look straight down, try to zoom the camera in, but our hands are all greasy. There is the piece down there for it. So now before we go anywhere, we got to get that piece straight down in there you're looking right at. So we're going to get that out, and that is the issue. Here's the piece in our oil. And there's a couple little tiny pieces in there from our bad cam. That would, I think I got chewed up. So let's see. There you go. Okay. Wow. It definitely broke off pretty good. So we'll update you some more later. So the fix is just swap it in, pull the push rod loose, the rocker arms loose, and then line them up dot to dot. And we'll show you once we get this thing going. And it'll turn real easy now. Clean the heck out of the engine, ready to put her back. A little bit of a mess, but we got the engine nice and pretty and clean. And painted the exhaust, wire brushed it, and painted the pipe. There we go. Back on here, we got the valves adjusted. If you look, there's little caps. Make sure you put those caps on, they're kind of magnetic. Now watch, we're going to crank it over. Fires up instantly. We don't have the gas hooked up, it's empty. There's crap in the tank. Don't know how it got there. We'll put the valve covers on. And one thing you'll see, these double tap too. See how that exhaust is double tap? Watch, the exhaust is gonna close. You see it moved up and down again? Watch. We'll go back. Okay, this is where the valve is closing. It's about to open the intake, but watch the exhaust valve. There's a double tap over there.